Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking. Today, Chef Dominic's going to show you how to make shrimp oreganata.
Yep.
Yeah, doesn't that look beautiful? We're serving it with some spaghetti marinara and some great garlic cheese bread. Anyway, let's get cooking.
We're eating. All right. We're gonna do our breadcrumbs now for the shrimp oreganata. I got panko breadcrumbs, plain, but we're gonna season them up a little bit with fresh parsley, a little granulated garlic, some parmesan cheese. Nice. Normally we use the seasoned already, but the seasoned breadcrumb are really salty. This is not. All right, we're gonna. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna need a little bit of granulated garlic in there. Some cheese. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of freshly grated parmesan cheese. Mix that around a little bit.
What, Ma?
Yeah, buffalo.
What about it?
Fountain fresh.
Oh, yeah.
Delicious.
Yeah, oh, it's really good.
Put a little
This is a really quick dish, folks.
and this is a really crappy pepper mill.
It's not cracking a pepper.
No. First of all, I can't get my hand around this little frickin' thing here.
Get him up for Christmas.
I have one already. Shaped as a wine bottle.
All right, breadcrumbs are ready.
All right, now we're gonna chop some garlic for.
I'm gonna need some of that parsley for the bread.
Ooh, I'm not gonna use all of it. That's probably all I need. Half of that, maybe.
I just need a pinch.
All right, we're gonna chop up some garlic here. All right, we're gonna put our garlic in the pan. Get that a little hot. Some olive oil.
Fry up. Right.
All right, we got our garlic fried a little bit, not much. You know, just a couple of minutes.
It smells
a little
like
crispy.
garlic. It smells good.
And then we're gonna go ahead and add our shrimp to this.
Oh, it's a nice fucking shrimp.
Beautiful.
All right, Ma.
They don't take long to cook. We're gonna cook them a little under because we're gonna put them in the broiler in the oven for about 3 or 4 minutes.
Oh, man. Those are good shrimp. I mean, we can't even
These are
smell.
Gulf shrimp.
Oh, they're awesome.
Wild caught Gulf shrimp.
All right,
None of that shrimp from Vietnam and stuff like that. That shrimp is disgusting. And you can quote me on that. And leave that in there, don't take it out.
All right, Dom. Let's cook that spaghetti.
Oh, these are so good.
Oh, man.
So fresh, that shrimp.
It's
so
very,
good.
very good.
Only $15 a pound.
Not bad.
All right, I need some real salt. I'm just gonna add a little salt in here and pepper if I can get that. If it needs more, we'll add more. All right, this thing's a piece of crap, man. You got any other pepper? That one.
Yeah, Yeah.
We're gonna add some white wine in there. Let that reduce down a little bit. Add some butter to it. It's already creamy. Look at that.
Nice.
I'm gonna add some salt in here.
Start cooking the spaghetti. We're using some thin spaghetti today. Probably cooking about 8 minutes. Al dente.
Hey, check.
Oh yeah.
You want to make 2 pounds?
Yeah. Take some home.
Okay, we're gonna add a little butter in here. Some unsalted butter. And we're gonna put a lemon in here.
Smells good, huh? Yeah. That's right.
Oh yeah, fresher.
Nice. Beautiful. Oh man, it looks great. Man, it looks good.
Get your spaghetti.
Nice. Over here we have our marinara sauce to go in here. Look at that, beautiful. All right, now we add the breadcrumb. Nice. So 1 pot dish. Oh yeah, look at that. Turn off.
Off. And now we're gonna put some breadcrumb on the top. And we're gonna top it with some dry oregano. You can use fresh oregano, but I didn't find any. So,
Yeah, dry works good too.
oh yeah, it's good.
This is why it's called Oreganata.
Okay, so
Oregano.
we're gonna put this in the broiler now. You gotta keep an eye on it because the broiler will get away from you quick.
Yeah.
It'll burn the top fast, so
Keep an eye on it.
you gotta check it every
Few minutes.
spaghetti's got a couple of minutes.
We're gonna start up some garlic bread. I got a nice rustic loaf here. I'm gonna go ahead and slice this, but not all the way, just to the bottom there. I'm just gonna cut it into 6 pieces total. Now we're gonna cut it 6 ways there. Just spread it open a little bit.
Garlic cheese bread.
Yeah. I went ahead and made some garlic butter and mixed some olive oil in it. This is pressed garlic.
Smells good.
Just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna save the rest of it for, put some of this on each side here when it comes out of the oven. All right. I got some whole milk mozzarella. Go ahead and put a little bit of cheese on each side there. All right. We'll go ahead and pop that in the oven.
All right.
Oh man, look at that. Perfect.
We are ready.
All right, spaghetti is almost
We
ready.
got some sliced lemon we're gonna put on
Oh,
top.
make it pretty.
Oh,
Looks good, man.
spaghetti is ready.
Turn off this oven. Oh, nice. All right, check out that bread. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, man, it looks good. Put it on top of that. All right. All right. Let's take the rest of this butter, garlic, and just pour it all over. Oh yeah, look at that. All right.
That looks good. Throw a little
Put some more
parsley on there.
parmesan on there.
Oh yeah. Throw some parsley on there.
Perfect.
Look at that.
All right. Good to
Beautiful
go.
bread.
All right, let's
Now
eat.
let's eat. No.
All right, we got our Sunday feast over here. Some shrimp Oreganata.
Come on.
Well,
Spaghettinis. You want more?
some shrimp.
Scripts.
There you go.
Give them some more shrimp.
No, she can't have any more.
There you go.
There's some of them.
Maybe a plate.
Yeah.
Oh man, it looks great.
Give me one of those babies.
Beautiful.
So tender.
Grab a piece of this cheese bread. Oh yeah, look at that.
Hey, you want some
Yeah,
spaghetti?
beautiful. Yeah,
Give me a dish.
spaghetti. Perfect.
Please tell me you don't want to eat.
No, he's eating.
Yeah, he don't want to be in the video. He just rolled out of bed.
Want some?
Oh man, look at that. Meal fit for a king.
The spaghettis are delicious.
Very delish. Let's taste the shrimp. Oreganata. Ooh, very good. Excellent dish.
Quick, easy. But you got to use good shrimp.
That's exactly right. You got to use quality shrimp. If it smells like fish, you don't want to buy it. Right, Mama?
The old saying, don't say fish, don't eat it. Better cut that out.
Anyway, folks, thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next week.
Slice those shrimp.